We are just finishing up the demo. The only thing that will remain from the previous camp of any sizable consideration is the pool building and the pool itself. All the rest of the camp is pretty much gone and being loaded as we speak. We have started grading, mass grading is what it's called, and that's to balance the site so that we can actually start building paths for the new buildings, as well as getting it ready for different types of hardscape and landscape. The future of that camp is now real and going to start becoming physical, not just on paper anymore. So it's very exciting.